PhoneBox Canada Honest App. The pros, the cons. If you're in Canada and looking for a reliable way to sell or recycle your old electronics, PhoneBox Canada promises a fast and hassle-free solution, but does it live up to the hype? One of the biggest pros is convenience. Most people get this wrong by assuming trade-in services are slow or complicated. PhoneBox Canada allows users to get instant quotes for phones, tablets, and other gadgets. You simply enter your device details, receive a price estimate, and ship it with a prepaid label. This eliminates the need to visit physical stores or negotiate prices. Another advantage is transparency. The app clearly lists the criteria for evaluating devices, so sellers know why a device is priced a certain way. Payments are fast, often processed within a few business days, giving users confidence that they won't be left waiting. PhoneBox also supports environmentally friendly disposal. Unsellable devices are recycled responsibly, which helps reduce electronic waste. The platform works with multiple carriers, making shipping easy and accessible from most Canadian locations. However, there are cons. Some users note that the quoted prices may be lower than expected, especially for older or slightly damaged devices. Certain high-demand models can fetch better rates elsewhere. Additionally, while the process is generally smooth, a small percentage of users report delays in payment or communication issues during peak periods. In conclusion, PhoneBox Canada is a practical and environmentally conscious solution for selling used electronics. The surprising truth is that while it's fast and convenient, sellers should compare quotes to ensure they get the best value for their devices. For anyone looking to quickly turn old phones or tablets into cash without the hassle of bargaining or shipping logistics, PhoneBox Canada offers a solid option, but realistic expectations about pricing are key.